Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best spray guns available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're sprucing up your furniture, tackling automotive projects, or working on home DIY painting, these spray guns have something to offer for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Zenlynx HVLP Spray Gun Kit. This product is designed for versatility, offering 4 interchangeable nozzles ranging from 1.4 millimeters to 2.5 millimeters, which makes it suitable for automotive painting, furniture restoration, and industrial use. The standout feature here is the disposable paint cup system, which minimizes paint waste and simplifies cleanup, a time saver for professionals and DIYers alike. The lightweight aluminum alloy body, paired with high-grade stainless steel nozzles and a brass air cap, ensures durability during extended use. The ergonomic handle design adds comfort, reducing fatigue during lengthy projects. In terms of performance, the Zenlynx spray gun boasts a 65% high transfer efficiency, reducing paint waste by up to 20%. Its 15-hole copper atomizer ensures smooth, even application, making this a solid choice for clear coats, primers, and base coats. However, it operates at a slightly higher air consumption rate compared to other models, which might not be ideal for smaller air compressors. While the disposable cups are convenient, the included accessories like the pressure gauge, cleaning kit, and sealing tape enhance its value proposition. The downside of this model is its lower customer rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars, which indicates some reliability issues or performance inconsistencies. Additionally, it's less suitable for intricate detailing or latex paint applications. This spray gun is a good option for beginners looking to tackle straightforward projects or professionals seeking an affordable backup tool. Pros include its comprehensive kit and ease of use, while cons center around its relatively limited precision and mixed user reviews. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Endozer Professional HVLP Spray Gun Set. This product focuses on delivering consistent performance for a variety of painting tasks, such as auto paint, furniture repair, and arts and crafts. The 20-ounce gravity feed cup and stainless steel nozzles with sizes of 1.4 millimeters, 1.7 millimeters, and 2.0 millimeters provide versatility for different coating types. The brass spray hood enhances atomization with its 15-hole design, ensuring uniform paint flow and excellent coverage. Its fluid control and pattern control knobs allow precise adjustments, while the air conditioning valve lets you manage airflow for smoother operation. The Endozer spray gun excels in efficiency and ease of use, making it accessible even for beginners. It features a durable build with stainless steel and brass components, ensuring longevity and corrosion resistance. However, it's not compatible with latex paint, which limits its use for certain applications. The included accessories, such as the air pressure gauge and quick adapter set, enhance the overall value, while the paint filter is a thoughtful addition for ensuring a clean, professional finish. On the downside, this spray gun is slightly heavier than its competitors at 2.64 pounds, which might cause hand fatigue during longer sessions. Additionally, its rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars suggests room for improvement in certain aspects, such as user experience or reliability. Overall, this spray gun is ideal for intermediate users or professionals seeking a reliable tool for automotive and industrial applications. Its pros include durability and accessory-rich packaging, while its cons are limited paint compatibility and slightly heavier design. Taking the number 3 spot is the InnoCraft D1 LVLP Air Spray Gun Premium Kit. This product is designed for DIYers and professionals alike, offering a complete startup solution with accessories like pressure regulators, oil-water separators, and multiple nozzle sizes, 1.3 millimeters, 1.5 millimeters, and 1.7 millimeters. The one-piece forged aluminum body features a Teflon coating, enhancing wear resistance and making cleanup quick and easy. The clearly marked scales and labels on the body simplify operation, making this a user-friendly tool even for beginners. Performance-wise, the D1 spray gun delivers superior paint atomization and high transfer efficiency, ensuring an even, professional finish while reducing paint waste. Its lightweight build and ergonomic design make it comfortable to use for extended periods. The included quick startup guide and instructional videos are a thoughtful addition for those new to spray painting. While it's excellent for automotive projects and furniture restoration, the maximum pressure of 50 psi might limit its compatibility with certain air compressors. With a customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, the D1 spray gun is highly regarded for its ease of use and comprehensive kit. However, its higher price point and reliance on an external air compressor might make it less appealing to casual users. This spray gun is a fantastic choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals looking for efficiency and consistent results. Pros include its complete package and user-friendly design, while cons are its reliance on external equipment and higher price point. At rank number 2, we have the AeroPro Tools R500 LVLP Air Spray Gun. This product packs a punch with its upgraded Teflon-coated body, offering enhanced durability and resistance to dirt and wear. The LVLP design ensures a lower volume of air and pressure usage, creating a fine mist for smooth finishes while minimizing overspray. With nozzle sizes of 1.3 mm, 1.5 mm, and 1.7 mm, this spray gun is highly versatile, suitable for tasks ranging from car painting to furniture varnishing. The 2-gear trigger system adds functionality, allowing users to clean dust before painting for optimal results. The AeroPro spray gun is efficient, boasting up to 65% paint utilization and a wide spray pattern of 280 mm for faster coverage. The stainless steel nozzle and needle accommodate various coatings, while the PE material paint cup is corrosion-resistant and easy to clean. However, the product's reliance on an external air compressor might not be convenient for all users. Additionally, the air consumption of 3.0 to 3.9 CFM might require a robust compressor setup. Rated 4.5 out of 5 stars, the AeroPro spray gun is loved for its efficiency and versatility. The downside is its slightly higher learning curve for beginners and reliance on external equipment. This spray gun is perfect for intermediate users and professionals seeking a durable, high-performance tool for automotive and home improvement projects. Pros include its Teflon-coated body and efficient performance, while cons are its dependency on external air power and slightly higher air consumption. Claiming the number 1 spot is the Mirror Zone Paint Sprayer Tool, a 1,000-watt high-power electric spray gun designed for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. This spray gun stands out for its adjustable flow control and spray width knob, allowing precise customization to minimize overspray and maximize paint utilization. The 4 brass nozzle sizes, 0.8 mm, 1.5 mm, 1.8 mm, and 2.5 mm, and 3 adjustable spray patterns, vertical, horizontal, and circular, make this tool versatile for various paint types and projects. The double-layer insulation and temperature protection fuse ensure safe and reliable operation. The Mirror Zone sprayer is incredibly user-friendly, with a tool-free disassembly design that makes cleaning quick and effortless. The included cleaning brushes and clogging needle further simplify maintenance. The high-capacity 1,400 milliliter paint container reduces the need for frequent refills, saving time during larger projects like house painting or cabinet refinishing. At just 3 pounds, this lightweight sprayer is easy to maneuver, making it an excellent choice for extended use. With a stellar customer rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars, the Mirror Zone paint sprayer is praised for its efficiency, ease of use, and safety features. The downside is its reliance on an AC power source, which limits portability. Additionally, it might not be suitable for heavy-duty industrial applications. Overall, this spray gun is perfect for homeowners and DIYers looking for a reliable, versatile, and high-performance tool. Pros include its adjustable controls and easy maintenance, while cons are its reliance on electricity and limited portability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.